Hey guys, this is how celebrities leave a luxury Airbnb in Miami. If you ever wondered how first-class people treat rental homes. Quick disclosure, by no means do I want to throw any shade or hate towards these people. They were super nice, the house is in a great shape. I'm just showing you guys what I have to deal with in my job sometimes. Also, of course, I'm not going to disclose who it was and where it is in Miami to keep their privacy. Also, I'm going to wait a couple of weeks until some time passes because I don't want any problems with them. So here we go. This is a $12 to $14 million home. It's a brand new construction. They were very nice and they stripped the beds, put all the linens together. It's not what I asked for, but they still did it. And there's this Marni paper bag here with some hangers and Nordstrom tags. Then there's this bag here with a Clase Azul bottle. I can't show you guys the bottle because it's signed and you would see the signature of the person. It has a happy birthday message on it. Then this is the clicker for the gate. There's some anti-cavity mouth lotion. Can't show you guys this paper either. Some beach balls and a huge bouquet of flowers. The dining table is still set. I don't know if they didn't use it at all or if they just put it back the same way. And there's like a jacket here. Looks like a children's jacket now, or like from a very petite woman. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of wine. This one is open. Some Casamigos, Mayrita mix, some tobacco products there. And what was funny to me, there's a car key here, a Chevrolet, and it's parked out in the front. And their guests left like 3 hours ago to the airport. Then there's a stack of cards. This is the house key. That's my phone. Some plates and chips. Lots of water bottles. More water bottles in here. Also some Coke and Coronas. The freezer is empty right now, except this piece of fish. And the fridge, full of groceries. They had a private chef, so they always had their meals cooked here, who used all of these fresh groceries, avocados and cilantro, orange juice. I'm gonna have some of this right now. There's white strawberries. Not sure what's in here. Looks like a salad. 1 egg left, whipping cream, coffee. That's pretty normal. They stayed for like a week almost, so they had to purchase a lot of food, and of course they couldn't just eat it all, didn't use it all, and they couldn't just take it in the airplane. So then here, one of the bedrooms, there's liquid IV. I think any liquid IV or any drink with fake citrus flavor. This here is tangerine. This is lemon. It just tastes so awful. Then some Tylenol. Little Lego figure. Is this lean? Over here, some deodorant, some trash and hangers. And I've already unpacked this in front of my iPhone. This is an empty product case. It was super heavy. I thought it was still full. Bathroom, pretty normal. Usually when someone of that high profile rents these homes, we provide them housekeeping service, or if they ask for it, or I offered them, but they didn't want it, so they didn't. And I'm surprised for how clean it is, even though they didn't have any maids come by the whole time. Because often it becomes such a big mess. It's unreal. But these people, they were super clean. Also, it was a family with children. For a birthday, it wasn't like a big house party and 10, 20 guys like it happens sometimes. Then over here, some water in a straw, some trash and business cards. This is pretty normal. All of these rooms are huge. They all have a walk-in closet like this and a full bathroom. There's this super nice piano here. What else? Some McDonald's, a pen. It happens occasionally that people put like jewelry in the nightstands and then they forget to check in the end and they leave it. Happened in this house one time. And then I shipped back $50,000 worth of gold diamond chains in a USPS envelope. I wouldn't trust that. What the hell? And last but not least, the master bedroom. Very big space. Also stripped the bed here. Nothing out of the ordinary. My biggest video on my other social medias was in this house too, and they left so much stuff after a month. Also a celebrity. Can't say who it was, but people were pretty easy in guessing. Anyway, people always ask me what I do with the stuff that's left behind. For example, now there's not so much, but with all of the foods and alcohol and sometimes clothing. So with this, for example, this jacket here, gonna look up the brand. They didn't take it because it's wet. I'm gonna look up the brand. If it's nothing special, I'm just gonna leave it here and the cleaners can take it home. I'm gonna take all of these wine bottles, also check for their price, just because I want to see how much they're worth. I think this is like a $30, $40 bottle here. I take all of the liquor away because I don't want the cleaners to take home alcohol. It's just not good. This key, I already spoke to the agent of the guest. The rental company is gonna pick it up in a moment. This is from the house. This can stay in the cabinet if someone wants to use it. This is trash. I'll take the water bottles from my car and then I'll see in here what I can use. For example, the butter and avocados. The rest, the cleaners can take home too. Sodas and beers. I'll take some, I'll leave some for the cleaners. And that's pretty much it. The only thing left is the product case in the bedroom. I will take that one too and have it as a hard case for my own sunglasses because I'm an expert at losing sunglasses and breaking them by sitting on them. So a hard case like this is really useful. The only space I haven't been yet was outside. So let's go there real quick. Some playing cards and bread, lighter. This is a speaker I left for them. And then there's a ton of pool floaties. So overall, these people were very clean, very nice, very understanding, very helpful. And I have nothing to say negative. The only thing, I didn't show that right now, that I need to send some contractor for to fix, to clean, is this couch right here. It has food spills. But that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, subscribe. I'm doing lots of videos of this type on my other social medias, on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So there's gonna be short form content of that. And then I'm gonna make these longer vlogs on my YouTube channel here. Thank you guys for watching.